Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be teaching you how you can interface a with temperature sensor with an Arduino. So I have the component right here with me that you can see. So it's a simple interfacing. Let me make the connections first. VCC will goes to VCC and ground will goes to ground. So you have to be careful while making all these connections. White is the positive and black is the negative one, and this one is out pin which will goes to A0. If you are using a digital pin, you can use digital pin 2, 4, 8, 7, any of it you like it. And let me make a circuit diagram according to this code. As you can see, the code is defined is DHT pin is A0, so this is being used in the code as well. I'm going to use that one. So here we have the Fritzing software in which I will draw the circuit diagram. You can also download this software by going to this website fritzing.org. I will leave the link down in the description. So first of all, I'm gonna need this temperature sensor, and the next thing that we are going to need is Arduino UNO. There we have the Arduino UNO. So let me arrange them. So let's make a connection. So this pin is a ground pin. So draw a line, connect it here, and change its color to black. And this one is a VDD. You have to connect it with 5-volt supply. And change its color to red. And this one is a data pin, and this one is not connected, no connection. So we will connect it to the A0 pin and change the color of the wire into a orange, or maybe select a more vibrant color like yellow. This will be better. So this is a simple connection that you have to make, and you can get this circuit diagram down in the description as well. So coming back to the setup I have here, and we will be going to connect this with our laptop, and you will see these LEDs will light up. Now we have to make the connections correctly. Yes, now this will light up. You can see right here, and here we have the temperature and humidity sensor. Now going back to the code, we have to upload it. Go to tools, select the right Arduino board, select the right port, and then click on this upload button. The code will be uploaded. The code is uploaded now, and you will see the readings on the serial monitor by clicking on this serial monitor. you will see the readings. The current humidity is 45 and the temperature is 34. It's the ambient temperature and the humidity.